Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once the screen wakes up, we can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here we have a bunch of icons, and one of them should be Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode enabled. The icon will change the color, it will get highlighted basically, and that means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And if you want to go back to watch face, you can press the upper button. And if you want to disable the mode, open the quick panel again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And of course, once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And to do that, we need to open the settings. So we can press the upper button, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter settings, then find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here we have the schedule option, and you can tap on the switch next to it, then tap on the check mark, and once you enable the schedule, you will see that the start and end option appeared, and we can basically set the start time and the end time. So let's tap on start and set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. To do it, swipe up and down on the hours and minutes. I'm gonna set it to 10:30 p.m. like this, then tap on OK. So my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on 10:30 p.m. Now let's tap on end time and set it to something like, let's set it to 7:30. Like this. And now we have the end time set to 7:30. So the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. You can also turn off the schedule if you don't like to use it anymore. And once you're done, of course, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.